Welcome. In this video, we'll practice CELPIP Speaking Task 6, dealing with a difficult situation, with 5 sample questions and model answers. Begin speaking now. Your time is up. Here is a model answer. Hi, Sarah. I'm really sorry, but I have to back out of babysitting on Friday. I know I promised, and I hate letting you down at short notice. The thing is, that company I applied to months ago finally called, and the only interview slot they have is Friday afternoon. They made it clear they can't move it, and this is honestly the job I've been hoping for. I wouldn't cancel on you for anything less. I've already asked Mom whether she can cover for a few hours, and she said she's free, so you wouldn't be stuck. And if it helps, I can take Mia for the whole day on Saturday, so you and Dave get some time to yourselves. I really appreciate you understanding, and I promise I'll make it up to you. Begin speaking now. Your time is up. Here is a model answer. Hey Daniel, I need to talk to you about something a bit awkward. The rental company called this morning about the scratch on the passenger door, and they're charging $400 for the repair. I'm not blaming you. Honestly, these things happen. And that parking garage was incredibly tight. But since you were driving when it happened, I was hoping we could split the cost, or that you'd be able to cover most of it. I paid for the rental and all the gas for the whole weekend. So this on top of that is a bit much for me right now. I'd much rather sort it out between us than let it come between us. Would half be manageable for you? And if this month is tight, I'm happy to work out a payment plan. Begin speaking now. Your time is up. Here is a model answer. Hi, I'm Alex from the apartment right below you. I hope I'm not catching you at a bad time. I wanted to mention something rather than let it build up. The music from your place has been carrying downstairs quite late, usually well past midnight, and I can hear the bass right through the floor. Normally I wouldn't say anything at all, but I have a certification exam in 2 weeks, and I'm running on very little sleep. I'm not asking you to stop having people over. I just wondered whether you'd be willing to turn the volume down after about 11, or maybe move the speaker off the floor, which makes a surprising difference. And if I'm ever too loud, please just knock. I'd far rather sort this out between the two of us than involve the building manager. Begin speaking now. Your time is up. Here is a model answer. Hello, I'm calling about an order I placed 3 weeks ago, a laptop that arrived 10 days later than the delivery date I was given. That delay was frustrating, but the bigger problem is the screen. There's a bright line running down the left side, and it was there the moment I opened the box. I've uploaded photos to my account already. I understand your policy asks customers to report faults within 7 days, and I did contact support on day 3, but nobody ever got back to me. What I'd like is a replacement unit rather than a refund, because I use this machine for work every single day, and I can't be without it. If you could ship the new one first and let me return this one afterwards, that would solve the problem for both of us. Begin speaking now. Your time is up. Here is a model answer. Hey Priya, do you have 10 minutes? I wanted to speak with you privately, as a friend first and a supervisor second. I've noticed you've been coming in around 10 and heading out before 4 for the past few weeks, and it's started to get noticed upstairs. I haven't said anything to Martin yet, because I wanted to hear it from you first. Is everything all right? If something is going on at home, or if you need to adjust your hours officially, there are options, and I'd much rather help you sort that out than watch this turn into a formal issue. What I can't do is keep covering for you indefinitely, because that puts my own position at risk. So let's work out a schedule that genuinely fits your life, and then we'll take it to Martin together. That is the end of this practice video. Want to keep improving? Practice with over 4,500 real, interactive CELPIP questions and get instant scoring and AI feedback on every response at celpora.com.